Buddies, welcome back to another video. It's Royal, and today I'm unboxing my first PlayStation in over a decade. I haven't had my own personal PlayStation since the PlayStation 2 and a PlayStation 1. So I'm very excited. Me and my brother used to share the PS1 and the PS2, but when the Xbox rolled around, I stuck with the Xbox, and like ever since then we just like I let him keep the PlayStation 2 and I kept the Xbox, so we just like went our separate ways. He still is just pretty much all Sony, but me, I'm Xbox. However, Sony's been dropping way too many exclusives that I want to play, so that's pretty much why I got this. I wanted this PlayStation for a while now, the Glacier White, but because I guess they ran out, it was a special edition, I wasn't going to pay the price that they was asking for it. So but Black Friday they had it back around. I'm like, I can do this now. Like, I thought it was a decent deal, so here I am. And I'm just excited because I think we still have my PlayStation, the PlayStation 1 somewhere around the house. I'm not too sure about that. However, it's white and I wanted it. Let's go ahead. Okay, so just y'all know I don't understand why I have bad luck with unboxing stuff, but you can pull it out. Like, this is the reason why I purchased the PlayStation. These exclusives. Here we are. It kind of feels weird that I'm actually doing this because, like I said, I haven't had anything related to Sony in a very long time. My brother actually still plays his PlayStation 3. He might have I don't know which one he has, but he plays one game, and that's Madden, and it's because he's a football coach. However, me, I like a lot of diverse games. I actually don't play any more sports games. Nice white controller. It's gonna feel weird, like playing with this controller, but I'm still Team Microsoft. This is only for exclusive. Other than that, every other game will be bought on my Xbox. Just let me go ahead and throw that out there. No other game, if it's not an exclusive, it will not be on this system right here. This system is strictly for exclusives. Watch. And here's the system. This really feels weird. I actually have a PlayStation. Like, y'all understand, like, I've been on the Xbox since the Xbox One. I mean, since the original Xbox. So, I wanted to go ahead and grab my games. I got Ratchet and Clank, Neo, Bloodborne, Horizon Zero Dawn, God of War, of course, and Spider-Man. So, as of right now, these are the only 5 that I have that I can't wait to play, like, immediately. Like, this is really, I don't know how many times I'm gonna let y'all know, but seriously, this is really weird. Like, you know, I'm done with the whole Xbox versus PlayStation. Sheesh. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. This white is really beautiful, and I don't think this material is going to get dirty often. It might get dusty like any other normal thing, but this is really nice. So like I was saying, I'm over the whole which one is better debate. That's been annoying my life for the longest. I'm over that discussion now. You know, I told myself some years ago, I'm done with that discussion. I'm going to just go ahead and get both, and I'm going to just use both. And I have to be honest, we don't have the type of exclusives that Sony has, and, you know, that's why this is here. You know, this is a beautiful system, and, you know, I slept on it. You know, it shouldn't have taken me this long to go ahead and get both. Oh, okay. And it comes with some little headphones. Okay. Yeah, I guess. So, power, controller, charger. I don't know if it's true or not, but I did hear that these controllers die quickly. I guess I'll find out for myself. And this useless button, that's just what I see on the internet, so I don't know if it's really useless and if these controllers die quickly, but we're going to find out. Manual, HDMI, so I have everything that I need. You know, I'm super excited to play these games. Like, really am excited. You know, I've watched a couple streamers, a couple YouTube videos of these games. Like, I need to experience it firsthand for myself, and I'm finally going to be able to do that. So, like I said, everything on this will be an exclusive only, not just, you know, I guess like Neo isn't technically only on PlayStation, but because it's on Windows as well. But y'all get what I'm saying. If it's on no other platform besides the PlayStation, I'm going to get it. I'm not looking to play this on Windows, so that's that. You know, this is a really, really beautiful system. And goodness, I did try to get the 500 edition, the 500 million edition, but that didn't really work out. And I did consider the Spider-Man bundle with that special edition, but this is the one I wanted, but I didn't get it because it was like $400, $500, and I'm just like, yeah, no, I can wait. And luckily I waited, and I have it now. So we've reached the end of the video, buddies. I appreciate you all for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, comment, and share the video. If you have anything to let me know about the PlayStation, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to holler at y'all later. Be easy.